This is the main entrance, and then on our right, that's one of the bedrooms. There's a window outside that looks at outside. There's a desk. This gets a lot of sunlight. And then come back to here, and this is the living room. This is just a couch. It looks like a bed, but it's a couch. That's a bookshelf. And then coming back, and we'll make a lift from here. That's where all. Then this is the first bathroom. It's a standing shower. There's a sink. Then keep going. Then on our right side, this is in the bedroom number 2. The closet is here. Right, this room also gets a lot of sunlight actually. So then keep going. This is where the kitchen is. There's a dishwasher, a lot of storage cabinets, microwave. Even here, a lot of storage cabinets. You have a lot of stuff. So it's quite big actually. Some plants, and then keep going. There is washer and dryer here. You can use it anytime before 10 p.m. It's free. We removed the full bed. Right now it's just the mattress, but full bed can fit. We painted this, just looks nicer that way. Then there is a big closet. You can store a lot of stuff here. Alright. And on the main wall there's like one of those white board kind of thing that you can write on, and it's a very useful thing. And there is a private porch. Let's open it. It's locked. Right now we have some stuff here. Hopefully we'll move that eventually. So yep, that's the porch. And this is the main bathroom. Typical urban bathroom. Alright. This is the room number 4. There's a desk, chair, window looking outside. This is a bed. And this has the biggest closet actually. It's quite big. Alright.